Hi Somas, it's Liz and I'm back after my incredible retreat last week, my reconnection retreat, and oh my goodness me, I cannot even begin to describe how incredible it was. I just feel still elated and incredibly grateful for all the women that entrusted their time with me. I had an amazing team of women supporting me: Sally Ann Marler from the Creative You, Kathy from Bespoke Catering, and Emma from Great Oak Therapies. And it was just incredible. We danced, we practiced somatics, we ate incredible food, we did vision boarding, we laughed, we cried, just incredible. And we celebrated. We celebrated our uniqueness and ourselves. And I'm putting a little montage together of all the photos and videos from the weekend, and I will be sharing that with you soon. It's just taking me a bit of time on Canva. But yeah, it was amazing. So from that, more retreats are in the planning and I can't wait to share those with you. Those are retreats I'm running, but I'm also taking part in a retreat the 4th to the 7th of April at the beautiful Scandalby Hall. So if you want to treat yourself to an incredible weekend away, they've got some lovely therapists lined up, and I'm part of that team teaching somatic yoga. I might see if I can sneak in some chakra dancing as well, because it is so much fun. Okay, so what's in store this week? Keeping it to the theme of beautiful is simple. This week, we're going to be breaking down and exploring moving into a twist. And the twist that I really love to teach is called the Washrag. And it's a beautiful spiral of the upper body and also connects us. It's a full body pattern. It also connects us down into our pelvis, legs and feet. And we need to be able to release the front and the back in order to create this lovely spiral. So if we're holding tight through the front, it literally acts like a brake. And the same with the back. There's a beautiful diagonal that we need to be able to create when we twist. So if the front and back and sides are holding tight, then it anchors that ability to release into this twist. And twisting is a really key part of our walking pattern. So if you can hone your ability to move into a lying twist, then you'll be moving with a lot more ease when you're walking around as well. All right, that's all the news for this week. I hope that you can join me, and I look forward to seeing your Soma soon. Thank you for listening. Take care. Have a great week.